All right. Quick shot of the king. Bye, Felicia. All right, where are we at? 100 foot. Let's go up to 200, huh? Yeah, let's take a look around, shall we? What's our battery power at? 93. All right, maybe we'll go down the river, yeah? Should we take a cruise down the river? Can't see which way we want to face here. Spin the gimbal down. Oh, wrong way. Oh, that's right. We got like a 35-minute flight time and 6-mile range. Let's see what I think we got set at like 20 miles an hour. And we're flying away. Let's go up a little bit. Don't want to hit no trees. Alright, we're at 200 feet. Turn my chair here so we can cruise down the river here. And we're cruising. Bring her down a little bit, huh? Take a look at the ground, yeah? This is the first flight, so we'll take it easy. Don't want to go too far away. Even though I got 6-mile range and a half hour of battery, we got what? 18 satellites. Alright. Let's cruise. Hate to lose my $1 million drone on the first flight. So keep an eye on battery power. What are we at? 80 some? Yeah. They say the batteries really aren't too strong until you run them a few times. Alright, let's turn around and come back. See how it looks coming back. Right? And we're cruising. Should we cruise over the house? And we're cruising. Take a look around here. 197 feet. Let's go up a hair. Let's go up to 200, yeah? Alright, 200 feet. And we're cruising. Cruising over the river. So if I lose control, I could lose the drone. Yeah? Nice. And I wouldn't know where the hell it went. Well, there I am. Oh, what the hell was that about? I want to bring her home just in case something's going on with the satellites. I can still adjust the gimbal here, see where we're at here. Make sure we're coming back. Oh yeah, there we are. Oh, I see her. I see her. Here she comes. Flying over. All right. See if she lands at the same spot. Oh, there she is. How much battery you got? I don't know why we lost satellite. Probably come in a shitty area. 80%. Oh yeah, she's coming down. Here, let's put the gimbal back up. Oh yeah, she's coming. Might have to take over controls if she don't land where I want. Oh, no. You're gonna hit the tree there, buddy. What are you doing? I'm gonna take over controls for a second there. Come on, come down. Come on. All right, let's turn her around. Oh. Well, welcome back, Felicia. Damn. Welcome back, biatch.